In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move, scale, and rotate a selection with the selection tool. We'll start by choosing the right tool. Look for the selection tool in your toolbar. It's typically represented by a dotted square icon. Selecting this tool lets you interact with objects directly on your canvas using a simple bounding box, so you can make precise changes without switching tools mid-task. With the selection tool active, click on the drawing, stroke, or area you want to transform. You should see a box appear around it, often with handles at the corners and sides. That box is your visual guide. It tells you exactly what's selected and gives you the controls you need to adjust it. To move the selection, hover anywhere inside the bounding box until your cursor indicates you can drag, then click and drag to reposition it. Take your time and watch how the object snaps or aligns, depending on your app's settings. If you're moving something that needs to line up perfectly, keep your eye on the guides or use the options we'll explore in a moment. To scale, use a corner handle on the bounding box. Click and drag a corner outward to make the selection larger or inward to make it smaller. Corners are great because they scale both width and height together, keeping the shape proportional. If your app adjusts proportions differently, don't worry, you can always perfect the numbers in the tool options bar. To rotate, move your cursor just outside the bounding box until it changes to a rotation indicator. Click and drag in a circular motion around your selection. Rotating outside the box gives you a smooth, controlled arc, which is ideal for setting a precise angle or aligning elements visually with other parts of your design. For fine control, look up to the tool options bar. Here you can type exact values for position, angle, and scale. This is especially helpful if you need to match multiple objects or hit specific measurements. Enter an exact X and Y position, a precise angle like 45 degrees, or a scale percentage for uniform sizing. When you're satisfied with the transformation, press Enter to apply it or simply click outside the selection area. This confirms the change and locks it in. If something looks off, you can reselect the object and make further adjustments using the same steps before committing again. That's all it takes. Select, adjust with the handles, refine in the